Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So in today's video we're talking about decking and the law. So installing decking is a very popular choice for those of us who want to create an interesting and versatile outdoor space. Now it can obviously be covered or uncovered. You can choose from a variety of different materials such as softwood, hardwood or composite materials, and you can complete it with a vast array of colours and finishes. You can use decking to build an outside eating area, somewhere to stick a lounger. It can be built as an alternative to a patio, and it also makes very strong, durable fencing. But here's the thing, just because you want to install it in your garden, it doesn't mean to say you can do as you please. So before you go out and start knocking up a load of decking in your garden, you need to be aware of the following legal constraints, and these will apply if you live in the UK. So, three main points then. Point number one, under UK planning law, you cannot build decking if it is more than 300mm, which is about 12 inches, above the ground. Now this is generally taken from the highest point, although if you have any specific queries, you also need to direct those towards your local planning department. Point number two, the total area occupied by the sum of your decking, any extensions, outbuildings or other platforms must not exceed 50% of your garden area. Point number three, any decking you build must be behind a wall which forms the principal or main elevation of your property. So say for example, the front wall of your house. In other words, it must be behind that. So look folks, if any of these apply, you will need to obtain planning permission before you start your decking project. So I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for details of all new videos from this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.